Hi, this is Jeff Schuman with Edina Realty, and welcome to 10512 Florida Avenue in Brooklyn Park. This gorgeous two-story checks every box with features like its open layout, a large kitchen with center island, 4 spacious upper-level bedrooms, all with stunning wood floors, a heated and insulated 3-car garage, maintenance-free deck, a fenced-in backyard, and an unfinished walkout basement just waiting to be turned into your dream space. I'd also like to give you a look at another of the neighborhood features, which is the Rush Creek Trail. This neighborhood sits at the midpoint of the trail, which offers a smooth, scenic path connecting the Mississippi Gateway Park and the Elm Creek Park Reserve with all that it offers. Thank you so much for checking out this home. If you'd like more information or if you'd like to schedule a private showing, please visit me online at jeffschuman.com.